Getting your custom software project off the ground can feel like you're running uphill. Budgets are tight and much less elastic than ever before. Everyone's far more cautious, and it seems like there are way more decision makers involved when making larger investments. But hear me out. A rock-solid business case will make that task much easier and help you to really make sure it's the right move for your organization. I'm about to dive into some key steps to building a business case, but if you want to get straight to work, be sure to download our free business case template, link below the video. So you've come up with a few ideas that you think may solve your current business situation. That might be enhancing the current software that runs your business, a complete overhaul of that software, or you're currently not using any software outside of spreadsheets and manual processes and want to build a system that will automate and enhance your daily operations. Whatever the idea, you will need to build a good business case with well thought out and measurable goals. This is not a one-man show. To launch your idea and ensure adoption, you must first identify the essential stakeholders from the frontline end users to the top brass. You will need support from them to make this happen. Stakeholders will be your champions and must have clear visibility to the outcomes and objectives of this project. They need to be in your corner. Everyone involved will have a role to play. Make sure everyone knows what that role is and keep the communication open and frequent. Think of your MVP as the secret sauce. It must be the minimum you need to solve those problems and get those stakeholders and investors hooked. Don't forget to consider your integrations with your existing setup, security, and how user-friendly it'll be. Basically, this is your chance to showcase how this custom software will be a game changer. The question is, how will we know when this is a win? Whether the goal is increasing revenue, improving customer experiences, or automating business processes, you'll need to have quantifiable metrics to monitor progress. Make sure these metrics are in line with your organization's overarching objectives. A strategic approach that actually fits with theirs is highly favored by the decision makers. Listen up, because this is where the finance guys perk up. You have to be upfront about the cost and estimates of your project. Developing software is as much an art as it is a science, and as much a science as it is an art. So don't forget to include and highlight all the tangible and intangible benefits to the organization. Show them how this software will supercharge the organization and boost the bottom line. When you can demonstrate a solid ROI, that green light for funding becomes a whole lot easier. Change is inevitable, but that doesn't mean you have to be afraid of it. You need to know that any project you take on has potential risks, delays, cost overruns, integration issues, user adoption hurdles, etc. Make sure you design and plan mitigation strategies to reduce these risks so when they do happen, you're ready. Sticking with the status quo can be tempting, but you have to consider the downside. What happens to your resources, finances, and future opportunities if you just keep things the same? Let me tell you, stagnation kills competitive edge faster than anything. Sure, some folks might be comfortable with their current slice of the pie, but that complacency is a recipe for trouble down the road, especially if you ever want to sell your business or see its value skyrocket. You can't make that happen by coasting by. Once you go live with your new application, you're going to need a solid plan to keep up with enhancements and bug fixes. Custom software isn't a build once and forget it situation. Custom software, heck, any software, needs ongoing maintenance and attention. Factor that into your plan from the start, so all the stakeholders know this long-term investment will get better with time. Uber and YouTube weren't created all at once. It took years to fine-tune those applications. This has been your crash course on building a business case for custom software. Remember, buy-in is key and careful planning is crucial. For more details on each step, check out the blog post link below. And don't forget to grab your free business case template we created to get you started. Building a strong case is how you turn that custom software dream into a reality. Now go out there and dominate.